a storehouse of love and never-ending laughter, an archives of memories, a space full of dreams, speaking volumes of where you've been, more so of who you are. And here we put these pieces together to create a place that you can call home. So come, stay along where you belong. Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I am an interior designer. This channel is a platform for us to showcase makeovers, interior projects, share with you design and decor ideas that you can implement in your homes. So in today's video, I'm going to do something which I haven't shown you before. This is a mini bathroom makeover video. We've transformed this bathroom from a very small and minimal used space into a very functional space and into a spa oasis. As I show you a few parts of the bathroom, how it looked before and what are the small changes I have done here, I'll share with you tips and tricks as we go along so that you can use these in your bathrooms and make them feel a little bit more functional and a lot more spa-like. This bathroom had a false ceiling which was made out of wood, and they used to house their gas geyser above that. One of the reasons why we went ahead with the makeover was because there was a lot of rot in the wood and we needed to discard the entire ceiling. When we started discarding it, we realized that there was a lot of seepage and wall damage that had happened due to the heat produced by the geyser and the vapors above the tile level. We needed to patch that place up. There was also a big mirror which was placed right above the commode, and once we started removing it, we realized there were n number of holes that were drilled onto the wall, onto the tiles, and that had caused a lot of damage to the tiles as well. We chose to go ahead with this brick pattern tiles so that we could match them to the existing white and grey tiles. Of course, because the tiles were very old, we could not have gotten the same shape or the size or the color, so we opted to go for something very drastically different so that it doesn't look out of place. Now this looks like a really pretty highlight wall. So once we got rid of the ceiling, we were able to pull the tiles right up to the ceiling. This makes the space look much larger now. The second thing that we did here was to provide them with a new window. The earlier ventilated window was very old and it needed an upgrade. The third thing that we changed was the little sink. Earlier they used to have a corner sink which was barely enough for them to wash their hands, let alone the daily chores of brushing, etc. So we provided them with a square countertop basin. We also gave them a marble counter in white marble, and we housed a tap which was a over the counter tap. Now under the marble counter, we provided them with a small little vanity. Now these cabinets are great to store just the daily essentials and things like the toilet cleaner and brush, etc. We also gave a distance between the counter and the little vanity so that hand towels, etc. can be folded and housed there, since it was a small space to work with. What we also did was the ledge above the basin. We have tiled it in the same tiles as the wall. This is the space where our flush tank is housed. This ledge provides a lovely surface to store other things. We also decided to add a corner shelf. This corner shelf can actually house their bottles of shampoo and other bath essentials, and we've added a faux plant here just to add that touch of green. We've also added a towel rack in which towels can be hung or dried or even folded and kept, and they look really beautiful. The entire shower panel was again making the room look much smaller. So we got rid of the shower door and we kept the division. So now this serves the purpose that the commode doesn't get wet. The wet area becomes separate and the dry area is separate. However, it still it doesn't look very bulky and doesn't make the room look small. As I mentioned before, what we've done is to add a ledge here, or to tile the ledge that we already had, which covers the flush tank. This allows us to have an extra surface area in a small bathroom to house some essentials, some bottles with cotton, etc., to have a plant, to have their hand wash, and just a few decor pieces which make the space look very spa-like. So we've added this round mirror here, and this mirror has a grey frame to offset the tile color. We've also added accents of green color in very small amounts just to give a little bit of a spa feel to the space. The bottles, the hand wash, a few frames, and hand towels. So these were a few ways in which we transformed this space to make it look a little bit more functional and to have a spa-like vibe. If you would like a makeover of your bathroom, a mini makeover on a budget, or you would like to get a space design, do get in touch with us. All our details are mentioned in the description box below. Our website is up and live and running, so definitely go and check it out. You will see a lot of fun products online which you've been asking me for. So now you can buy them and house them in your beautiful homes. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos, for more design tutorials and home tours which are coming soon. Till I see you again, happy